guys, welcome to Nova Scotia Community College. We're located in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia, Canada. Welcome to our campus. I'm going to take you guys on a little tour of our campus very quickly, and then we're going to introduce our team with you guys to do our lobster demonstration. Alright, let's get going.
Welcome to Cyber Dreams. Cyber Dreams. Welcome to Cyber Dreams.
We're excited to be a part of this project and looking forward to cooking some lobster with you.
My name is Michael Vasey. I'm a second year culinary management student.
Hi, my name is Michelle Small, a second year culinary management student. Welcome.
Hi, my name is Andres, a second year culinary management student. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Lucia. I'm a second year culinary student.